Hi friends, when I was thinking to purchase a gimbal for mobile phone, because most of the time we need a gimbal in different situations to gather a better photography and video. So I was a lot of time I was giving it to think which gimbal I should buy, and then I came across this iSteady X from Hohem, and this is a 3-axis palm gimbal for a smartphone, so we can hold it in hand and we can use it. It's a 3-axis gimbal, and here on the back of the package they have mentioned the special features that it is a 250 gram total weight. Then they have mentioned here it is a foldable and flexible one piece. Then they have mentioned the 3-axis working. Then movement mode here, like quick roll switch. So in one switch you can roll it from vertical to horizontal. So that is there. And then auto face tracking is the best feature of this device. Auto face tracking means you put it into that particular mode, and even if you move across the room or even it is your face or the object, so it will keep on tracking it. It will never be out of focus. The gimbal will move and we will see it. So first we will see what is inside the box. So this is our box for Hohem iSteady X 3-axis palm gimbal for smartphone. So let me open its plastic package on the top. It looks nice. Now here is the opening. So first I will pick up the gimbal itself and we will keep it here. Then what are all other things? Here you can see this one is the bottom side, and it can open like a tripod, and otherwise you close it and we can put it into the bottom of the gimbal, and we can hold it like yesterday. Okay, so this is how this can work. So I will keep it aside. Then these are the charging cable. So this is the charging cable. Charging cable means it will get connected here like this, and you can connect it to the laptop or power supply. You have given one hand strap. You can find this gimbal and use it. Then we have one pouch. We can use it to keep it. It's a nice cloth and very soft and smooth, so we can keep the entire gimbal inside it. It will go inside like this. Okay, and then we can use it like this. So this is how it all contents are there inside the box. So now we will see the things how it works. So here I want to show you. There are this one joystick kind of thing. This up, down, left, right, all those things it can work. Then there are two switches. One is for on off and changing the mode. This one. And this is for one press it will change to either to the still photo or to the video. You can see the symbol if it is visible to you. So this is there, and then one more yellow and white, this switch is there. So just by one hand you can up and down this can work like this. Now to open it, this has to be loosened up little bit screw, and then it will open like this. Then you can tighten it again. Now one more lock is there here, so you have to just move it little bit and it will open like this. and this is also free now. So we can balance the mobile phone on this grip, and how that can be done, let us see. I will put my mobile phone here, and this is the camera side. So this camera side should come to the right side. They have written here, if we can read, phone camera direction in the arrow. So I have to put it like this and stretch it, put it there. Now we have to see the balancing. This will not work because I have to balance it properly. So I will show you. Just hold on. This is in off state. The gimbal is off. It is rotating free and not in any orientation. So if I press the on button, so immediately it will come into the normal on position. Let us press. Yes, it has come. Now you can see, and just by pressing once, orientation will change. Another pressing the same button, orientation change. If I press long, so it will off, and this shows the free state, that is, it is in off state. You can see here I am using the button here for the side button for tele and wide. So you see the screen of the mobile, and you see this is coming to wide angle, and this is how this changes the situation. Again it is going to the tele position. Right. Again I will press. It is changing. Right. So this is how it works. Now to object tracking frame, select the object. Now I have to select the object. I am making it, and I will select my face here on the screen, and then let us see whether it moves. Yes, it is moving. You can see. If I move this, here I have put this menu selected, that this joystick will work for rule, that is, it will go in the see, up and down head moving. Then if I say left side, means it is rotating on the axis. So I can see this is moving, and it is number of degree. If I say almost 170 degree, this head has moved from this position to this position around 170 degrees. When it will be complete horizontal, it is not happening 170 degree, how it is moving. See again. Yes. So from this head, now let us see again position, how this moves. So this is how it has moved. This was here, so around 180 or 170 degree, you can see. Now another menu is there, and I will change this menu to say pen. Now if I use the joystick, it is moving like this. See, it has changed. So it is panning now. It is called pen. So almost 360 degree. Almost 360 degree. See, just watch. Yes, from this position it has come to this way. So this is how it works. That you can follow all lock. All lock means, say I have locked everything. So what will happen now? So if I am moving this gimbal hand grip in any direction, but the face of the camera remains the same. So this is a wonderful thing. Gimbal has all the required features which anybody will desire to have. Photo size, photo resolution, everything you can select here. Now the moment, just see, this is moving in directions. Automatically it is taking the picture and moving. This is called inception. So complete picture they have taken. This is one feature. So there are so many such features are there, and I am really satisfied and happy to have this kind of gimbal in my hand, that I am now able to work as per my desire. And I will include some of the photographs and video taken by this particular gimbal, so that it gives you a confidence and understanding how this works.